Tonight it's raining again. Window cracked an inch. The air smells green, the earth awake, and something rich I can't yet name. My laptop hums across the table, calendar marked in blue. 3 meetings and a training call and things I'm learning how to do. They showed me where the backups live, how last year's numbers bend, the breakroom code, who to CC key, and when the day should end. The badge against my collarbone feels lighter than before, like fabric finally settling in the way it does once worn. I used to hear each drop as proof that something had to end. Now it sounds like quiet work on things I meant to tend. Let it fall across the parking lot. Let it feed the roots below. Tonight it's raining again, and somewhere deep I know. Let it knock, let it pour, let it water what I'm growing.